Welcome to this tutorial on how to call different navigation menus in specific WordPress pages. In this guide you will learn how to navigate the WordPress interface and customize your site's navigation all within 5 minutes. Begin by opening your internet browser and navigating to WordPress. This initial step gets you into the platform where you will manage all subsequent actions. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will notice the login option. Click on it to move into the secure login area of the site. After clicking login, you will be presented with several options for signing in. You should choose the option that says continue with Google. When you select this choice, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Simply choose the account you wish to use to sign in to WordPress. This method streamlines the login process and ensures a secure connection. Once signed in, shift your focus to the quick links section. In this section, locate and click on the Edit Site option. This step transports you into the site editor where you have control over the design and layout of your WordPress site, including navigation menus. Once inside the site editor, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you will see a plus icon. Click on this icon to reveal additional tools and options available for customizing your website. This is a crucial step because it sets the stage for editing the navigation menu. After clicking the plus icon, a search field will appear. In this field, type the word navigation. As you type, WordPress will automatically filter your options and display related elements. This search functionality is specifically designed to help you quickly locate WordPress features relevant to navigation. When the search results populate, find the navigation option and click on it. This action will insert a navigation block into your page. The navigation block is the area where you will be able to customize the menu items. After inserting the navigation block, direct your attention to the right settings panel on your screen. This settings panel provides you with a range of configuration options that allow you to tailor the appearance and behavior of your navigation menu. Within the settings panel, scroll until you find the menu section. In this section, you will be provided with various settings related to menu design and functionality. The menu section is a vital component because it gives you access to different customization options to adjust your website's navigation according to your needs. Within the menu section, locate the 3 dots option. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal additional actions and configurations. Use this menu to explore further adjustments available for your navigation menu. At this point, you are ready to change your navigation menu. By selecting the Change Navigation Menu option, you can switch out the current menu with a different one that better suits the layout or functionality of your specific page. This completes the process for calling a different navigation menu for specific pages in WordPress. Following these steps carefully ensures that your website's navigation is tailored perfectly to your requirements. Enjoy the streamlined functionality that WordPress offers as you customize the user experience on your site.